is Corbin here with Dr. Fin-addicts, and today we are at deer camp right now. We are deer hunting. It is opening day tomorrow, so we're just here today setting up, and it's around 4 o'clock right now, so the sun should be setting soon. It's opening day tomorrow, so if we get one, we have 4 guys, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. For anybody who wants to know, we are going to be squirrel hunting, checking trail cameras, and deer hunting, obviously. Also, if you wanted to know what gun I'm shooting, I'm shooting a Savage 220, 20 gauge, great gun, I love it. Really good scope too on it, like, really good gun. So guys, just hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, we're gonna get started. Hey guys, so I just want to give you a little update on what's going on here. It's about 10:30. It's been about 2 hours since I recorded last. We're setting things. So basically, we're just sitting right here in the stand. The sun is up and shining on everything. So yeah, it's fun. It's definitely a lot warmer out. I just want to say, guys, that you are legally on private land allowed to bait deer in Maryland. Because I know in other states you're not allowed to, but on private land, you are allowed to bait deer. Sorry guys if you guys can't hear me, but deer hunting and I'm trying to be quiet. So guys, I'll give you another update when we get out of the stand. Alright guys, so we did not see anything one Saturday, opening day, pretty slow day, and here is Sunday's footage. This gun, I can't give a review to you guys if you want it, because it's a very nice gun, newer model. Savage did a very good job with this gun. We're just sitting here. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I got here at like 6, maybe 10. So we're just waiting for deer to show up. Got a bunch of squirrels in the corn pile. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. So guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on here. It's about 10:30. It's about 10 o'clock right now. It's about 8 o'clock. We're just sitting here. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I got here like 6, maybe 10. So we're just waiting for deer to show up. Got a bunch of squirrels in the corn pile. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Guys, nothing during the morning hunt of Saturday, so I knew it was going to be down to the wire. If I was gonna shoot a deer, it was going to be during the evening hunt. We did not hear any shots all morning. We heard one shot at 8 a.m., and that was it. I had my doubts, but guys, keep watching to the... Hey guys, this is Corbin here with Outdoor Fin-addicts. I just smoked 2 does. I am so sorry. I am shaking so bad. Guys, it is like 4:30 right now. I'm sorry. I'm so excited right now. Here's my dad. I'll turn the camera over and I'll show you. Oh, thank God, guys. We've been here, and I started having my doubts. You know, God is always with you, and I actually did probably a minute. I'm so shaky right now. That's a good shot. That was a good shot. Oh man, I am so sorry, guys. Yep, like he ran like maybe 40 yards and dropped him. Did I not say that? Yeah. I literally said, guys, before I said, I said there like 20 minutes before I said, one's gonna come. Oh my God. Guys, I'll pick you back up when I stop shaking. We're gonna go get Alright guys, so I was shaking in the last clip, and now I'm kind of calmed down. I got one over there on the ground, then the one circled back and I shot her, and she's over there, and we're gonna go track her. So I just want to give you a little context. We shot her at 4:30, and then we were on the ground recording. The third one came back, we went up in the stand, and then she ran. So we are just going to be very quiet, and we're gonna go up there and see what I got. Alright, so the deer's right up here. We're just gonna walk up to it. I will try, guys, but good job. Nice little deer. Well, very fat, guys, and we are going to eat this guy up. We're gonna take a few pictures and I'll get right back to you. Okay, not sure where it started, but we just found this. We're gonna follow it down, guys. Keep on blood. Okay, where we at? Okay. Guys, you got a second deer? Oh, and she buried herself. Oh, good shot. Good shot right there. Alright guys, that's second deer. I'm so excited, guys. I'm just, oh, man, this is what makes hunting all about, guys. We've been here. This is the last day, okay, of opening weekend, and we shot her within the last 30 minutes. Guys, stick hunting, okay? Keep on trying, and you will get what you want. Obviously, as you can see right here, work does pay off, and guys, we are gonna have a good dinner with these doe. All right, guys, so we got our 2 does here. Just sorry for the background noise. We just got the foil right there. So basically, we got our 2 does. They came in on us. The closest one was about 40 yards, I think. I really do not know what I was thinking. They actually came in at about, the first one was 70 yards, and the other one was 60 yards. My dad told me afterwards. Second one, I think, was actually 30 yards, so it wasn't closer. But anyway, I got a good shot on them, both vital organs. This one ran about 40 yards.
Good job, my man.
So anyway, yeah, guys, we are just going to gut these deer, then take them to Richard processing, and yeah, we're gonna eat these deer. We'll pick them up in about a week, and yeah. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Alright guys, this is going to end our video here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I had so much fun shooting these deer, and just so you guys know, and none of this meat is going to go to waste. We use all of it. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed these videos, and there's a lot more to come.